Hey everyone, so in today's video I am going to show you how to create roles in the Discord mobile application. So the first thing you want to do is open up Discord, and I'm already in the server that I have created for this tutorial. And once you're in there, you should want to click on the top left for the name, go to settings right down here, and then just scroll down until you see roles. Click on that, click on create role, and here you can just name it literally whatever you want. Just do admin for example, and click on create. And you can either change up how it looks and everything, and this is the permission. So if you're creating an admin, you'd probably want everything, so you can just select that, and then you can select on the members that you want to be part of that. Click on finish, and there you go. That is how you create Discord roles. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.